Meaning of gambol.
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 Gamble.
Gambol. Gambol means to play or frolic in a lively, energetic manner. It is usually used to describe the movement of animals, especially young ones like lambs or puppies. When animals gambol, they jump, run and play around joyfully. This activity is often associated with springtime and new life. People also use gambol to describe their own playful behavior, such as children running around in a park or dancers moving gracefully across a stage. Overall, gambol is a word that conveys a sense of carefree, happy energy and movement.